Most people don't miss out on buying land because they can't afford it. They miss out because they are making these 3 payment plan mistakes. Number 1, choosing a payment plan that doesn't match your income. This is one of the biggest payment plan mistakes I see a lot of investors make. Before you choose any payment plan to buy land right here in Nigeria, especially in Abuja, check your income. Ask yourself, is this something I can afford? The monthly repayment, is it something I can be able to do every single month? And the amount I'm going to be setting aside, is this something I can be able to be consistent about every single month? So you know your income, you know how much you can afford, and you know what works best for you. So what you need to do is always choose the payment option or the payment plan that is suitable for your income, so that you will not end up missing out on owning the property, or even withdrawing from paying from the property, or even attracting interest, huge interest on the payment you are already making. So ensure that your payment option matches your income. Number 2 mistake is not asking enough questions before committing. Never make any payments, never commit to making any payment for any land without asking for enough information concerning that payment plan option. So ask questions like, how long can I pay for this? What are other fees attached to it? Are there other interest or administrative charges on this particular payment option I'm going for? Ask all the necessary questions that you need to know concerning the payment option that you are going in for, so that you avoid unpleasant surprises. A lot of people, once they enter into a particular payment for a particular land, after committing to it, that is when other charges and other details concerning that payment option will be revealed to them. And at that point, you can't go back. You end up losing your money or withdrawing totally from owning that particular property. So ensure that you ask enough questions to be clear of what you are going into. And if you are satisfied with it, then you can go ahead. And then lastly, waiting too long before making payment or using payment plan. Now, this is one of the biggest mistakes I see a lot of people make. They are waiting to have the full money or the full amount before they take advantage of the property they like. Not knowing that as you are waiting, that is how the price of that particular land is increasing. So instead of waiting for you to have the full amount, understand your income, understand how much you earn, understand what you are capable of, and then go for flexible payment plan for that particular property, and then take advantage of payment plan. Now, what payment plan will help you to do is that once you lock down with a down payment for a particular property, you can spread your balance in months, and then you will still maintain paying for that land at the old price instead of the new price when the property keeps appreciating. So that is what payment plan helps you to do. But if you wait, that is how land will keep appreciating, and you keep missing out on opportunities, and year after year you keep regretting why you have not owned properties yet. Instead of waiting too long for you to gather the full amount for the particular property you want to buy, ask for the payment options, because the payment options available at that time may not be available for you the next year or the next time that you want to take advantage of that particular property. So ask for the payment plan and take advantage of the property immediately. So today I'm right here in City View Park and Resort in Gosaidu, Abuja. This particular property offers a flexible payment plan where you can deposit 750,000 naira and then get to spread your balance for as long as 18 months. This is one of the best payment plan you can get right now in Abuja for just piece of land. It's sitting very close to Jabi and shares direct access to the airport road and even to Lube. It's in a growing location. So if you have been looking for that next property to invest in right here in Abuja with flexible payment plans that will not shake your account and that will not give you stress in completing the payment, then you should consider City View Park and Resort right here in Abuja and take advantage of the payment plan and get to lock down plots right here in this estate. Plot ranges from 200 square meters down to 1,000 square meters, and the prices is from 12 million naira up. But with your 750,000 naira down payment, you can lock in your plot here and get to spread your balance. And the best part is that it has an FCDA C of O, so you are buying into a secured estate. So what you need to do right now is to pick up your phone and dial the number showing on your screen. Let's help you to take advantage of this payment plan and secure plots right here in City View Park and Resort.